Good morning, children. How are you all? Must be keeping well. Children, today we are doing articles. Okay. First of all, you must be knowing the articles in previous class also. And today again we are revising it. There are two types of articles, indefinite and definite articles. First of all, see indefinite articles. A and N is called indefinite articles. And indefinite articles are used to describe one or a number of things. Okay, the indefinite article describes things in general. See the example, a dog barks. It means a dog, this is the sound of a dog always barks. Okay, now see where we use the. The is called a definite articles. Definite articles are used to describe one or a number of things. The definite article describes specific thing. Then what is the difference between this? This is also used for one and a number of things, and here the is also used for one and a number of things. But the definite article describes specific things, like the dog barks. It means specific dogs are in your mind. It means it may be neighbor's dog and the dogs may be barking in the park. Then we say the dog barks. Okay. Now where we use the is called a definite article which indicates a particular subject, thing or person. The use of an depends on the beginning sound also. Okay, see, a is used. Now look here carefully where we use a. A is used before a consonant sounds. Example, a year, a hero. Consonant means except A, E, I, O, U, R or rest of all are consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, all these are consonants. Okay. Now number 2, before you pronounce a U. Example, a utensil, a unit, a useful. Children, keep one thing in your mind. Though the U is vowel, but we are not writing N before when it gives the sound of U. Okay? Keep one thing in your mind. Before O pronounce as wo. Example, one-way road, where though O is a vowel, but it doesn't give the sound of own. Okay? It gives the sound of one, W-A. Okay? Then we are using a. Now see where an is used. Before a vowel sounds A, E, I, O, U. Example, an interesting book, an ink pot, an umbrella, an orange. You must be doing, okay, in previous class also. Now see, before a silent H. Example, an hour, an honest. Because it here doesn't give the sound of hour. If they would have been given hour, then you're supposed to write a. It gives the sound of hour, honest. That's why we are writing an. Okay. Now we also use the with the following. See carefully. Name of rivers, seas, ocean, mountain ranges. Example, the Ganges, the Red Sea, the Pacific Ocean, the Himalayas. Okay. Now, name of well-known buildings. Where the buildings are well-known, then we write the also. The Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the Gateway of India. Okay, the Fatehpur Sikri. Names of holy books. The Gita, the Bible, the Quran. Okay. Next, name of newspaper. When we use the newspaper's name, then we always write the before the newspaper's name. The Tribune, the Times of India, the Hindustan Times. Okay. Next, name of trains and aeroplanes. The Shatabdi Express, the Air India aeroplanes. Okay. Next, names of some countries. See, the USA, the UE, the UK. Why we write the USA, the UE, the UK? Because these are United States. That's why we are writing. In other countries we are not writing the only except 3, the USA, United States of America, UAE, United Arabic Emirates, and UK, United Kingdom. Okay. Now, names of people of nationality. Some people of nationalities are the English, the French, the Japanese. Okay. Next, indicating a class or a kind. See, class or a kind means the lion, the dog, the cow. When we are saying that the dog is a faithful animal, it means the dog, all the dogs are faithful. The cow is a useful animal. All the cows are useful, not a single cow. The lion is called the king of jungle. It means all the lions are called the king of jungle, not only one. Names of ordinals. Ordinal numbers are the first boy, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth. These are all ordinal numbers. You must have done in maths also. Before superlative degree. Superlative, the sweetest, the tallest, the shortest. Okay. So just you have learned in adjective comparative degree, positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. And before the superlative degree, we are writing the. Okay. And with phrases such as the last, the only, the next. Okay, the last car at the car rally, the only game for me. When you specify something, then you write the. Now, children, listen carefully. Where we never use zero article means we never use any article. Like sometimes an article is left out. Where? This happens when there is only one of someone or something. Mrs. Mehta is head teacher. It means she is only the head teacher of school, not other else. Okay. Elizabeth is queen of the United Kingdom. It means Elizabeth is only one queen. Okay. Sometimes the is left out when talking about season. Okay. Look, spring is in the air. Spring is in the air. Now spring is going on because all the flowers are blooming here. I visited her in the spring. It means you have particular spring in your mind when you met your friend or when you met someone. Okay. The is left out when talking about meals. When we talk about meals, dinner, lunch, okay, breakfast, we never ever use the. When shall we have lunch? Okay. I was very happy with the lunch she served. It means here the lunch here means that particular lunch you have in your mind that you had with your friend also. Okay. When we talk about school, university, church in general, when we talk about generally, just like we went to university last year, okay, the university is well situated. It means the university means particularly university, maybe Oxford University, Cambridge University. Here is when we specify something, then we write the, otherwise we never write, okay. So let's fill in the blanks by using articles a and the. Okay, now see, this is shortest. Shortest is a superlative degree. So what we are writing here? This is the shortest route to my house. I would like to be a pilot, single pilot, a pilot when I grow up. He is second boy. I told you ordinal numbers. Before the ordinal numbers, we are writing the. He is the second boy who acted well. Raghu's father is MP. Listen children carefully. MP gives the sound of a as a vowel. So here we are writing an MP, an MD, MLA, an MD. Then we are writing an. Okay, wherever it gets the vowel sounds also. The world is a happy place. Okay. Next, only best. Best is a superlative degree. Good, better, best. When we are writing only, the best quality food is sold here. Do you know how to make an eggless cake? Here the E is a vowel, it gives the sound of E. That's why we are writing an eggless cake. I am going to make an apple pie. Okay. The owl is on the tree branch is asleep. It means we are talking about the owl. We are specifying the owl. That's why we are writing the owl is sitting on the tree, near, not somewhere else. The owl is sitting on the tree. Okay. I hope you must have understood all the articles and keep all articles in your mind. Okay. Where to use a, where to use an, where you use the. Okay. Bye. Take care. Stay healthy. Stay fit and fine. Okay. Thank you.